Okay, hi. So let's see your ninth assignment. You have made this landscape which has to be turned around. So let me just um, save the image and okay. So it is like this, right? So I feel one thing that I want to. The first thing that I see is the center, the heaviness of the entire painting lies right in the center. So try not to do that. You can follow the rule of thirds where you divide the entire canvas into 9 equal parts and then you place your focal points on the intersecting angles. Let me just show you how. Okay. So in case I'm just dividing it into 9 equal parts. So for example, never want our focal point to be in this area. Rather, we can place here, 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 or here. So this is becoming too heavy in the center. Secondly, try that colors don't get muddy. So the color palette that you chose with greens and yellows, it's really beautiful. But the pink is actually bright because the other values, the greens, yellows, and the bluish is like quite muted. It is very subtle. So I'm really liking these dark pinks here. But again, it got muddy around this area. So this purplish looks very muddy. Try to avoid that. Um, if you want to work with cooler colors and on top of it you want to get the bombs out, just let uh, just when you apply the upper layer, make sure that it doesn't mixes with the bottom. And if you want it to be shown in a hidden visible and a hidden manner, use different tools instead of palette knife or brush. So you can have sponge, or you can use bubble wrap, just apply paint and then put it over the canvas so that it's there, it's visible, yet a part of background is also visible. Whenever you do abstracts, there is a little explanation needed because if you say this is a landscape, I would uh, I would see it as my own imagination. Probably I will know some geometrical shapes. So I'm assuming like these are uh, either structures, and then these are the fields. So a little explanation like what exactly you had in your mind in terms of thoughts, not in terms of process, but in terms of thoughts is needed. Yes, we also need, when you talk about thoughts, then I what and the techniques both, then there has to be a very good relation between both. That if I had a thought about creating a textures from tree, then what techniques have I used for the same. So that is one thing that you need to keep in mind. Rest, I think it's coming along. I really like your color palette, even from the last class. I remember it was excellent, and um, you did pretty good. You're very good with your color scheme. Like, this was such a strong idea, and I really enjoyed this particular piece of work. So you are in the right direction. Some add-ons, and you'll be there.